Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Rukias kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make this tasty and healthy salmon and shrimp salad. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned to enjoy my recipe. So the first step, I'm going to take a large plate or you can use a bowl, that's up to you. Then I'm going to add arugula salad and lettuce salad, and then I'm going to spread them around the plate as you can see in the video. Then the next step, I'm going to drizzle a bit of Caesar dressing, or you can use any dressing that you prefer. Then afterwards, I'm going to add iceberg leaves as you can see in the video. Then the next step, you're going to take one medium carrot. Make sure you've removed the outer skin. Then grate the carrot on top of the icebergs. Afterwards, I'm going to add roasted breads with paprika flavor. At the end, I'm going to add different types of fruits around the plate. I'm going to use some green apples, watermelon, melon, kiwi, mangoes, or you can use any other types of fruits that you like. Then afterwards, I'm going to drizzle a bit of different types of nuts, cashewnuts, walnuts and almonds. Then afterwards, I'm going to slice a bit of cucumber. I've used the sweet tiny cucumber and I'm going to cut them into tiny slices as you can see. I'm also going to use about 3 sweet tomatoes and I'm going to cut them into slices. Lastly but not least, I'm going to use smoked salmon. You can get these at supermarket and I'm going to add them a bit on top of my salads. Lastly, I'm going to add the cooked shrimps. I've mixed the shrimps with a bit of mayonnaise and I'm going to add about 4 tablespoons of the cooked shrimps. And my tasty, healthy salmon and shrimp salad is ready as you can see in the video. Like this salad, it's so tasty, and enjoy your salad. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram, Rukias Kitchen for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.